This electric SUV just hit 60 miles per hour faster than a sports car, and it costs half as much. The 2026 Genesis Electrified GV70 launches like you've been shoved from behind. 3.8 seconds to 60. That's faster than the gas-powered version with the twin-turbo V6. Faster than most sports cars people dream about owning. But here's where it gets interesting. Genesis built this thing with a button on the steering wheel called Boost Mode. Press it and the power jumps from 429 horsepower to 483 for 10 seconds of pure chaos. It's like a turbo boost in a video game, except it's real and it slams you back into quilted Nappa leather. Most electric SUVs feel like appliances. Smooth, quiet, a little boring. This one has a pulse. The dual motors dump 516 pound-feet of torque to all four wheels instantly. No turbo lag, no transmission hunting for gears. You tap the throttle and the GV70 lunges forward like it's angry. Here's the part nobody talks about. The 2026 model gets an 84 kilowatt-hour battery, bigger than before. Genesis says 263 miles of range, but the real magic is the charging. This thing runs on an 800-volt system, which means it can gulp electricity at insane speeds. 10 to 80% in 19 minutes. That's faster than most people can finish lunch at a charging station. And now it's got access to Tesla Superchargers through the new NAX port, so you're not hunting for obscure charging networks on road trips. But wait, there's more weirdness. The interior feels like Genesis raided a tech store and a luxury furniture showroom at the same time. There's a 27-inch OLED screen that curves across the entire dashboard. It's split between the gauge cluster and the infotainment system, and it looks like something from a concept car that accidentally made it to production. Everything is wrapped in leather or quilted surfaces that feel too expensive for the $64,380 starting price. And that's the part that makes no sense. You're getting supercar acceleration, luxury sedan materials, and tech that rivals anything from Germany. But you're paying Hyundai money instead of Porsche money. The catch? Range isn't crazy high at 263 miles. Some rivals go further. And it's only sold in select states, so not everyone can even buy one. But if you're in one of those states and you want something that drives like it costs twice as much, this is the move. So yeah, Genesis built an electric SUV that embarrasses gas-powered sports cars and charges faster than you can grab coffee. And next time, we're diving into something even stranger, a luxury sedan that costs six figures but somehow makes you forget about the price tag. You won't want to miss that one. Drop a comment if you'd actually pick this over a Tesla Model Y. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.